Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable split screen on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, first of all, just open any app you want to open in split screen. For an example, we will open the Gallery app. Now from here, just tap on the recent apps button. Now from here, just tap on the app icon. Now from here, just tap on Open in Split Screen View. Now from here, once you have done that, now just select any other app to open in split screen. For an example, we will select the calculator. Now as you can see, this is how you can open apps in split screen. Now to switch the places of the apps, just tap on the three dots between the apps. Now from here, just tap on the arrow icon. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on the bar at the top of the app, you can switch between apps just like that. We will choose the calendar. Now also, if you want to disable split screen, for example, if we are done with the calendar, just tap on the bar and tap on the X icon. And this is how you can enable split screen on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.